working on math, getting these videos done. Is this thing straight? It doesn't look straight. All right, now I think it's straight. Okay, so I know, first of all, I miss you all today. I had an important meeting to go to here at school. I'll tell you about it more tomorrow. I hope you all behaved. I hope you behaved while I was gone today and was working hard just like me, along with the other teachers. We were working hard too. So I'll find out about how your day went tomorrow when I see you. And you all have been calling me about the videos. I'm getting it done now. I had like so much stuff to do after school. But now I'm getting the chance to do it. And I think they're about to kick me out the building. So I'm going to get done as much as I can. You do as much as you can. I might have to record somewhere else when I leave the building. So just stay tuned for all the videos. Get done what you can. If you do your best, if you cannot get it done, I'll let you finish it in class tomorrow, okay? All right, so let's begin. It is Monday right here, December the 12th. Don't forget, get your parent's signature on that. You need your first name and your last name. Let's begin with the first problem. It says right here, okay, can you read? I got to read it. It says operations and algebraic thinking, write and interpret. I can't read like this. Let me get another sheet. All right, I'm back with another sheet right here so I can read it off the sheet because I can't read crazy like that. All right, so read it with me. It says operations and algebraic thinking, write and interpret numerical expressions. MGSE 5, OA1, use parentheses, brackets, or braces in numerical expressions and evaluate expressions with these symbols. So your directions for this section says evaluate the following numerical expressions. Don't forget to use the correct order of operations. PEMDAS, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Some of you all know that. That's the acronym to help you remember. Parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide, add and subtract, show all your work. I need for you to show your work. I think some of you are just copying my answer. Not okay. Show your work just like I show my work. And if you don't show your work, I'm going to make you show your work. All right, so we're going to do this a little bit different because last week some people said they couldn't see me. It was so dark. But that's how I had to turn off the lights so you can see the Prometheum. So we're going to do it this way. Hopefully this works better for you all out there. All right, so look at number 1. It says 3, and then do you see that tiny 2? That tiny 2 right there means squared. 3 to the second power, and that means you multiply 3 2 times. So that doesn't mean 3 times 2, it means 3 times 3. So let me write that down, and then plus 4, okay? So let me write that down on my paper, and you write it down on your paper. Let me write it down. 3 times 3 plus 4. All right, you see that right there? 3 times 3 plus 4. And then what's 3 times 3? We do that part first because that's the exponent right there. 3 times 3 is 9. So you write down 9 and then plus 4, just like how I have it. Count 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That equals 13. Write that answer down. Bam. Done with number 1. All right, look at number 2. Number 2 says 7 minus 3 in parentheses times 5 to the second power, or 5 squared. So what do we do first? Order of operations, parentheses. So look what's inside your parentheses. 7 minus 3. So let's do 7 minus 3 first. What's that? That is 4 times 5 squared. Do you see that? 4 times 5 squared. Now what do we do? Exponents. That 5 squared, 5 to the second power, is just like how we did that one, 5 times 5. So write 5 times 5. You see that right there? So it's going to be 5 times 5 for that one, and then you still have to do 4 times. And what's 5 times 5? Because we do that first. Exponents is 25. And then so I'm going to write 4 times 25. Look, just like that, 4 times 25, because that 5 times 5 is 25. And 4 times 25 is what? You should know. It's like counting quarters. 100. Write it down. 100. Bam. I have my answer. Make sure you have your answer. Moving on to number 3. Number 3 says, look right there. It says 6 to the second power, or 6 squared, divided by 8 plus 1. What do we do first? What's in parentheses? And what's in parentheses? 8 plus 1. And what's 8 plus 1? That is 9. Look right there. So 6 squared divided by 9. Now what do we do? The exponent, which is 6 squared. 6 squared is 6 times 2. It's 6 times 6. So write down 6 times 6. And look right there, 6 times 6 divided by 9. So let's do that 6 times 6. Got a text. It's one of you all. All right. 6 times 6 is 36 divided by 9. Bam, right there. Equals, you should know it, 4. 4. Bam, right there. So we are done with this first one. I'm going to go ahead and upload this right now so you can work with me. So if you watch this later, then it's going to be all backwards. But just find the videos you need. All right? Love you.